Hi, this is a quick video to show you how to graph a parent function and a transformation of that parent function. I'm going to let f of x be the parent function y equals x squared, and we're going to graph the transformation on that. Negative 2 times the quantity x plus 3 squared minus 1. And so in orange we see the parent function, the parabola with the vertex at the origin, and over here in black we see the transform function, which has been reflected over the x-axis. It's got a vertical stretch of 2, moves 3 to the left and 1 down. To see this on the table, you can go to Edit List and Convert to Table, and here are the points on the original function. Click on function number 2, Settings for Edit List, Convert to Table, and you can see points on the black transform function. You'll notice here, however, the x value stayed the same, so if you want to show that it moved 3 to the left and look at that table, just overwrite each of the x values by simply typing over top of them. And we're just going down by 3 units from what it was, and you can see the new points, and you can move your graph around to manipulate it and see what you'd like. Okay, so it's easy to use Desmos to double check your work.